Hey, good morning everybody. It's Captain Drew Cavanaugh with Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, Mosquito Lagoon Sight Fishing Charters, and Florida Nearshore Fishing Charters located here in East Central Florida, Daytona Beach, Cocoa Beach, New Smyrna Beach. And today is, I think we're going on January 18th, 19th, something like that, 2024. Got some nice weather going on here. Kind of overcast skies. I think it's a high of 64 right now, 65 degrees out right now, light winds. And we're in the heart of our winter fishery here. I'm down here at the Ponce Inlet boat ramp down here in New Smyrna Beach, just checking things out. I figured I'd do a video fishing report, just down here looking around, all that kind of stuff. Beautiful weather. Out here walking my dog Rusty. And so for the next few months, couple months until we get into spring, we're going to be into a lot of inshore backcountry sight fishing, redfish, trout, black drum. The pompano bite has been insane. If the weather's calm, a lot of times the ocean isn't very cooperative. We're able to get to the reefs and the wrecks and all that kind of stuff, but it should be pretty good fishing for the next several months. And anytime, any day now, when the weather starts to change over the next several weeks, we're going to get into our cobia. And the cobia bite will turn on. That water temperature gets up around, surface temperature around 68, 69, 70 degrees. It should just light right up. So everything's looking good right now. Give me a call if you're looking to book a fishing trip. Like I said, we got great weather. I know where it's cold up north, we're getting highs daily of 70. A couple days are in the 50s, but typically 50s at night, 70s during the day. No humidity, bluebird skies, just drop dead gorgeous weather. Got some really good fishing going on. If you're interested, give me a call and we can go from there. Captain Drew Cavanaugh, 352-223-7897. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.